we're going to look at how Lync Server 2010 is more than a PBX. Now, I can't cover each of the features of Lync Server 2010, so I'll highlight the way that Lync Server 2010 is a total unified communication solution that provides much more than just PBX features. Along the way, I hope to show you how an investment in Lync Server 2010 will be a success for your company and your career. I'm going to cover the additional features that come with Lync Server 2010 that have the potential to make you look great to your management when you deploy Lync Server. Lync Server 2010 provides 5 main capabilities: instant messaging and presence, audio, video, and web conferencing, enterprise voice, mobility, and group chat. Now let's say you're in charge of deploying a new PBX at your organization. You deploy just any old PBX and everyone is able to make and receive calls. Everyone says you did a good job. Woo-hoo. Now let's imagine you deploy Lync Server 2010. With Lync Server 2010, you are able to meet your users' expectation of making and receiving calls, but now they have lots of new features, plus the time-saving features on the server side that will make your job easier and save your organization money. Let's look at the immediate benefits beyond the PBX features that your users will see. Instant messaging is probably the biggest feature your users can use with Lync 2010. As an enterprise-managed feature, your office is more connected and more secure. Presence. What a time saver when users are able to see the presence of their contacts. Are they in their office, back from lunch, available for a call or to IM? This may seem like a small feature, but it will revolutionize how your office works. And one of my favorite features with Lync is you can tag users to be alerted when their statuses change. Audio, video, and web conferencing. Lync Server 2010, your office now has audio, video, and web conferencing built right in. Your users will be ecstatic, and this will completely change the way your business runs. Management will be doing a happy dance because of drastically reduced traveling costs and the elimination of expensive monthly fees for conferencing services. It's possible for the average Lync Server 2010 customer to recoup nearly all of their investment with just the money saved using conferencing with Lync Server 2010. Group chat allows information sharing and discussions as a group with topic-based multi-party discussions that persist over time. Group chat enhances communication and allows geographically distributed teams to work together efficiently. Mobility. Take all of the great features I've told you about and then imagine being able to have all of them anywhere that has internet access. You will no longer be tied to a desk, an office, or a building. Take your office with you. This is not just important for field sellers, but for technicians working remotely or executives on business trips. Let me show you the Lync 2010 client, and you'll see that there are so many features that make Lync 2010 a better client than the competitors and previous versions. Here we have 2 clients. You can see their presence and a picture of each of the users, allowing you to put a face to each name. By clicking on their picture, a user can choose another picture, or they have the option not to show a picture at all. If I double-click on a contact, then I can start a new IM. And see, we're talking away already. Now, if I go over and drag another user into the conversation, it turns into an ad hoc conference. And with one more click, we could add audio or video. And a couple of more clicks, we could add content or share desktops, or I could show you a Word file or a spreadsheet with everyone in the conversation. Now I'm going to close these up. Next at the top, we have the activities feed. With this, you can broadcast news, current events, availability, or whatever is on your mind, and others can see it. On the Conversation tab, you have the ultimate redial. You can continue a previous IM or phone conversation instantly. On the Phone tab, you can see we have integrated voicemail notification, allowing us to see who's called and how long the message is. We can even play it back with one click. From here and all over Lync, you can see the contact card show up. It shows a lot of information about the contact, availability, organization, and allows you with one click to start an IM, phone call, or email. Also notice the always-on dial pad, an improvement over Communicator, and with one click we can call into the voicemail system. Another great feature is all of the self-administrated configurations that are possible. Some of these are configurable by the client policies. We've already seen how users can do their pictures, and the self-configurable call forwarding and team calling features. You also have the ability to transfer participation in conference calls to your cell phone, connect with public IM providers such as Live, Yahoo, and AOL. So there you go. You were asked to get a new PBX in place, and instead you revolutionized how your organization runs.